Welcome to Cartagena, Colombia, one of the most beautiful cities of the country, the Miami of the South, if you ask me. My name is Oliver, and in today's travel vlog, I'm showing you the streets of Cartagena, where we dive into the nightlife, go on a boat trip, and I'll show you around in my hostel. The party on an island was a complete scam. I'll show you why. It's terrible. Well, let's start the vlog. In this vlog, I'm gonna take you through streets of Cartagena, my first stop of Colombia, and let's dive right into it. After dropping my bags at the hotel, I walked to a restaurant to get some food, not knowing I entered a dangerous area. It was a very difficult task to get some cash. The ATM wouldn't let me withdraw anything. So I tried 4 cards and eventually my Spanish bank card could withdraw cash. So that was cool. I was in the hotel the whole day because I had to work a little bit. It's already dinner time and I'm gonna get my favorite dish. Do you know what it is? So this is the Bandeja Paisa. You have banana, frijoles, the beans, different types of meat, avocado, rice, and eggs. I'm a happy man. Delicious. I'm not even kidding. This is my favorite dish from South America. My record is 3 bandeja paisas in one day. After dinner, I went back to the hotel and went to bed early. But the next morning, it was time to check in at Selina Hostels, where I was very excited for. This is the dorm they put me in. This is the bunk bed. I'm sleeping down, and this is the bed. You can see what my bed looks like as well. It even has some curtains to close up for more privacy. I got a nice wristband. Let's check out the pool, because my room is obviously not ready as expected. Look at this pool. Awesome. And this is the second pool they have, where I'm gonna spend the day. The views here are amazing. Guys, it's pool time. I am in the pool, one of the 2 pools of Selina. I already heard some Dutch. The people behind me that you can see on camera are Dutch. I'm not really feeling like it today. I'm not gonna talk to anyone. I just wanna have like a peaceful day, quiet, in the sun, in the pool. So that's what I did, but I can't do nothing for a whole day, so I had to go out and explore the center. Okay, first impression of downtown Cartagena, really nice. People are not attacking me, right? They just let me walk, and sometimes someone says, hello my friend, or something like that, but actually it's really nice. I feel very safe. In the area where I was earlier, it was close to the airport. It was a bit unsafe, but here it's really nice. People are really nice. I walked through the old streets of Getsemani until the sun went down. It was very busy on the streets, a lot of people, including amazing street performances. It's 5:30 in the afternoon and I am freshly showered. My hostel is organizing a big pub crawl and a welcomes drink for the people that just arrived in the hostel, including me. And I got to meet 5 people, from whom 4 were Dutch. So it's kind of, you know, everywhere I go, I run into Dutch people. When the night falls over the city, the lights go on and the music starts. And in my hostel, they're giving dance classes. I met some interesting people, and now we are freshening up a little bit and making ourselves ready for the pub crawl. But just $11, you get 3 drinks included, and we're just bar hopping, so. Good morning. It is 9:40 in the morning and I am waiting for my breakfast. Yesterday went a little bit different than expected, to be honest. We did not go to the pub crawl. I was waiting for the pub crawl, but there were not enough people, so me and Amy, a girl from the United States that I met here, we decided to just go out, have a drink, and when I got home, I woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning because of the smoke detector went off. It was terrible, I'm telling you. It was like right above my bed, so literally everyone was looking at my bed, that it was like a noise coming from my phone or my computer or something, which was obviously not the case. I am going to order some sunscreen and after sun on Rappi. Let's see how that goes. But first, breakfast. Sorry, I forgot to record my food. It is already gone. I already ate it. Sorry. Thank you. We had a nice hangover day at the pool together, enjoying the Colombian sun. And lunch too, obviously. A Mexican ball in Colombia. Let's see.
Hey Rico!
At the end of the day, we hopped in a taxi and drove to the Boca Grande beach, where a boat was gonna pick us up. We have tickets for a party on an island, which is gonna be terrible. You like it?
Okay, that's amazing.
As you can see, we are the first ones at this party. Everything seems to be ready for a huge number of people to come. We have been here for almost 4 hours and there is still no one. They promised us that there was going to be a party and they kept telling us that people were arriving, but people never came. There's no one. There's no party.
This one's just done.
3 puppies. Hi, baby. I guess we've been dropped off at the wrong party. We were 4 hours at a place without people, without no one, and now we are going back and we're picking up other people. And I got a message from someone like, "We are arriving. Come to the pier." And I'm like, "What are you talking about? I'm already in the boat." He thought that he dropped us off at this party. There are a lot of people. We've been waiting 4 hours at a place without people. Oh my god. It's the worst thing. And we closed off the night with a visit to the local karaoke bar. Alright, so I got new sunglasses. First it was 120k pesos, Colombian pesos. We managed to only pay 40k, so that's a good deal, I think. It's a little bit less under 10 euros. We're grabbing some pizza because we're doing a walking tour. We run a little bit short in time, so we're doing the walking tour, walking pizza.
Yes or no? In Slovakia, do you have witches? No. In Netherlands, do you have witches?
We even saw a sloth in the trees. Apparently there are 16 sloths in the park of Cartagena, literally in the center of the old town. We continued the walking tour to the old city wall, where we had great views over the city. And everywhere you go, you see party buses with drunk tourists like these. We had amazing tacos for dinner and watched the sunset from the rooftop at Selina's. It's been a great day.
Fantastic.
Alrighty, good morning. We're doing a boat tour today. We woke up at 7. I was done at 7:10. So I had to wait like 40 minutes. Alright, so we are in the boat. We claimed our little spot in front. It looks pretty comfy. Well, it is comfy. But they're trying to squeeze more people into the boat. Look. But it's literally a very small boat, so I don't know how they're gonna do it. We're gonna see different islands today, and we will visit a party island where a lot of people are partying and drinking. It's the perfect day. The sun is out and it's not too hot. This day is gonna be amazing. My phone ran out of battery, I'm sorry. We saw the sunset from the rooftop, which was our last evening here. We are in the bus right now on our way to Santa Marta, my second city of my trip through Colombia. We are in the bus. It's gonna take around 4 hours to get there. See you there. Adios.